Hello artists, I'm going to show you some of the ways you can use Seesaw to make drawings or designs. So if you click this green button with the plus sign that says add, you can post work, and you're going to click this drawing tool. So the first thing I like to start off with is clicking these three dots to expand my options here, and I choose my background. There are some solid color choices that you can make. There's also some gradients, a rainbow, or even some stripes and polka dots, or lines for practicing writing, but I'm going to pick, let's see, I'm gonna pick this color. And to exit out of this, I just click back to my main screen here, and I'm back. So there's a bunch of tools down here at the bottom. There's a pencil tool, and you can change the color that it is. There's tons of color options. And if you click on the actual pencil itself, it will give you the choice to make your pencil line bigger or smaller. You don't really see the difference too much here, but if I jump to another tool and I click on it, there's a small option like this. And let's try the big one. This is good for filling in big spaces. So I'm actually going to erase that because I don't want that on my artwork. So I could use the erase button, click this eraser, and erase it. Or to get rid of something, you can press the back arrow to undo it. And that is up at the top here. Okay, so I'm going to start by maybe building a structure. I think I'm going to draw a treehouse. So I'm going to click my marker tool. I'm going to make it a medium size, not too big. And I'm going to pick my tree color. Okay, and I want to fill in this space, so I'm going to change it out to a little bit of bigger tool. I'm not worrying too much about details right now. Okay, now I'm going to change colors and start to design my treehouse. It's a little bit tricky to navigate using a laptop or a Chromebook. It might be easier if you have an iPad or if you have a mouse attached to your Chromebook. So it won't be perfect, and it definitely takes some practice. Okay, to make this bigger so I can fill in the space easier. And now I want to add a door. So I'm going to click these three dots in a row and click on shapes to pick my door shape. I think I want my door, I like this shape for my door. So I'm going to drag this to move it where I want it. I can change the size by using these little white balls on the end. I can make it tall like a rectangle. I can stretch it out. I'm going to have a nice tall door like this. And I'm going to change the color over here. I like that color. Awesome. And now I might want to add a window. So I'm going to pick another shape. I'd like a circle window. I'm going to move it over here, make it a little bit smaller, and change the color. Okay. I think I'm going to add some details to show that it's a window a little bit. And my treehouse right now needs a lot more details. I'm going to add maybe this glow tool to add some lights across my door. And you can also change the color for this the same way you change the colors the other ways. And I think I'm going to make a slide wrapping around my tree trunk. And that's going to be how you leave the treehouse. And again, I'm going to go back and use my bigger tool here to fill in that space. I can also add some words. If I click this T button for text, I can type something. So if I want to name my treehouse, I can call it Miss M's fort. Maybe this is my fort. And you can also move that around the same way that you can move your shapes. But I'm going to put it right above my door. So I am just making a treehouse to show you some of the ways you can use the drawing tools on Seesaw. This is just an example. Your assignment might be to design a different kind of house. Your assignment might be to draw whatever you like. You might even add in a picture and draw on top of it. You can click the camera button here, upload, and upload a picture. And you can even draw on top of that. Okay. These are just some of the ways you can use Seesaw to make a poster, design a house, or make a drawing. And I hope you enjoy.